heard of the man who transformed Eastern Nigeria into one of the African fast-growing regions was Dr. Iheonukara Okpara, born on December 25th, 1920 in Iheonukara, present-day Abia State. Michael Okpara began his career as a medical doctor before answering the call to public service. In 1959, he became the premier of the Eastern Nigeria and quickly set out to build a prosperous and self-relenting region. Under his leadership, agriculture flourished. Farm settlements were established across the region, creating jobs and increasing food production. Eastern Nigeria became a major producer of palm produce and other agricultural commodities. But Dr. Okpara's vision extended beyond farming. He invested heavily in education, industrial development, and infrastructure, laying the foundation for the economic growth and opportunities. His administration was known for discipline, innovation, and commitment to improving the lives of ordinary people. Today, many historians regard Michael Okpara as one of the Nigerian's most effective and visionary leaders. His legacy lived on as a symbol of what can be achieved through hard work, strategy, leadership, and genuine desire to serve the people. Dr. Michael Iheonukara Okpara, a true pride of Ala Igbo. Follow Pride of Ala Igbo for more inspiring stories of men and women who shaped our history.